Hi guys, you welcome to Goldbeauty channel. Let's start. We need to release the tension from the muscle around the chin area. If you overwork the muscle along the jaw area and chin area, your lips will be pulled down and look much bigger. So in this video, we have to release the tension along the chin and jaw area and train the muscle around the mouth area and also cheek area to get heart-shaped lips. We also have to reduce double chin and part neck. Massage around the jawline in a shaking motion slowly. Move your hands outwards along the jawline. Massage around the masseter muscle in shaking and circular motion gently. If you're interested in this video, please subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Massage under the mouth area in shaking motion gently. Massage above the mouth in shaking motion gently. Please don't forget to like. Thanks. Make pursed lips. Massage around the chin area. Move your lips diagonally upward to the left and right. Now stick your lips and make a smile. We are focusing on training the muscle around the lip area and cheek area at the same time. Say you by making a small lips. Now make a small lips and hold this movement. Pinch upper lips to make heart-shaped lips. Support the right side of your lips and then massage the left side of your lips inward. Let's get a small heart-shaped lip with this massage. Now using both index finger and massage upper lips like me. Relax your neck and shoulder. We have tried so many exercises to try and cheek area and lip area to get a small heart-shaped lips. Subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye!